As a fertility dietitian, I believe that an anti-inflammatory diet for fertility is one of the best diet plans that you can follow. Reducing inflammation helps to improve egg health, optimise your cycles, and improve embryo implantation. And it's great for sperm health too. So, in this episode of Nourish, I'm going to list my top 6 aspects of an anti-inflammatory diet for fertility, and then I'll provide you with an example of a 7-day meal plan to follow. Stay tuned. Hello, if this is our first time connecting, welcome. My name is Melanie McGrice and I'm a fertility and prenatal dietitian. I help couples boost their fertility and give their babies the best start possible with the power of good food. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and connect with me on my socials so that you can join me for my regular live Q&A sessions. You'll find all of the details in the description box below this video. Your immune system is triggered whenever your body recognises something foreign, whether it be an invading microbe, unhealthy dietary fats, pollution, or a chemical. This activates a process called inflammation. Now, whilst inflammation is beneficial for fighting foreign invaders, chronic inflammation is terrible for fertility. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss my top 6 considerations for an anti-inflammatory diet for fertility. So let's get started. Number 1 is olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleic acid and oleocanthal, 2 incredible nutrients which have been found to significantly reduce inflammation. I'd recommend aiming for at least a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in your meal at least twice each day. Make sure that your olive oil is good quality, kept in a dark place such as your pantry cupboard, and within the best before date. Number 2 is leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as broccoli, kale and rocket, are rich in a compound called sulforaphane, which is a type of antioxidant that's been found to fight inflammation-causing baddies. It's best absorbed when your greens are eaten raw, so use them in things like a salad. Fatty fish is number 3. Now, fatty fish, such as salmon, is a rich source of long-chain omega-3 fatty acids, which are well known for reducing inflammation. I'd highly recommend including 3 serves of fatty fish in your diet each week when you're trying to conceive. Number 4 is nuts. Now, studies have found that at least 3 servings per week of nuts may significantly reduce inflammation. And personally, I think they're a fantastic snack. But check out my video on the best nuts to eat for fertility. Number 5 is berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins, which help to reduce inflammation. Emerging research has found that adults who consumed a punnet of berries on a daily basis had significantly less inflammation than people who did not. And lastly, number 6 is tomatoes. Now, tomatoes are a rich source of anti-inflammatory nutrient called lycopene. Lycopene is best absorbed when tomatoes are cooked and combined with extra virgin olive oil. So include recipes such as a pasta puttanesca or tikka masala. Now, I'd love you to download my free anti-inflammatory fertility meal plan from melaniemcgrice.com/fertility. And make sure that you check out some of my other fertility boosting resources on my website as well. I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video. I knew what it was. I just then got tongue-tied. Sephora.